What about your phone is frozen or fails to reboot in the normal way? Do you have any other way to restart Android tablets or mobile phones? Actually, many users are confused about this problem. Thus, we make this video to show you other doable ways to reboot Android phone and tablets. Part 1. Reboot Android phone or tablets when it is frozen. Hold the power and volume up keys at the same time until the device screen goes dark. Long press the power button to restart your phone as usual. Part 2. How to restart Android phone and tablets without power button. 1. Reboot your phone by using an app. 2. Turn to specialist. A device without power button is inconvenient, so you are strongly suggested to use a new power key. You can send it back to the store that you purchased it to fix it. Part 3. Restart Android from computer. Download Android SDK to C. Program files. Add C. Program files Android ADTCDAK platform tools to the path variable. Open command prompt. Connect Android device. Type add B shell and enter wipe data to initiate wipe. Part 4. What can I do to reboot Android system? Press and hold the power and volume down button simultaneously. To boot your device to recovery mode, select the Reboot System Now option by using the volume down button and press the power button to confirm your option. Part 5. How to do when Android fails to reboot. Charge your phone. When your phone battery is dead, it will not respond to your order. In this case, you can charge your phone at first and attempt to restart the phone again. Factory reset in recovery mode for device issues during restart. Restore Android OS using solutions from the official website or forum. Flash a custom ROM if recovery mode is inaccessible.